Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily download Gate browser in your Windows or laptops. So the first step is you need to click Google Chrome here at the desktop screen, but in case you don't see your Google Chrome here, just simply search G- Google Chrome at the search button. Let's type Google Chrome. After that, you need to scroll up and then select Best Match. Tap that. And then let's maximize this first by clicking the square icon. And then once you are being redirected to your Google Chrome, let's type or search Gate Browser. Let's continue by hitting enter. Okay, once you are in the results, please select the first option, Gate Browser 9.1.0c. Tap that. And then here's the catch. You don't need to click the download now. Instead, you need to click free download. And the good thing about Gate browser is that it doesn't consume a lot of your space in your laptop since it contains a minimum size of 63.5 only. So let's click free download. Yes, it has this 63.5 MB file size. So to download, let's click this. Okay, and that's it. Once you've downloaded this Gate browser, you can now use it and it's safe to use and it's a private browser provided by Gate. So hopefully this helped. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.